Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Today's video is kind of a random one. It's just me showing you guys what I do around the office. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Right now I'm just cleaning the bases. Make sure you guys don't forget to clean the bases of your chairs. It's very important not to forget. If you're not on your hands and knees, then are you even cleaning? But yeah, I'm just cleaning the bases of the chair. I like to do this at least once a week. How have you guys been? I feel like I have been gone for so long, but for good reasons. A lot has changed in my life, but yeah, I plan on doing a dental Q&A soon, or my next video. So be sure to leave comments down below of any dental assistant questions that you guys have for me, and some videos that you guys want to see from me. Any video requests, let me know in the comments down below. Now I'm just placing a filling on my patient. Do you guys do fillings? Let me know in the comments down below, or let me know if you guys like to do fillings. I love to do fillings. I don't know why I wanted to show you guys our AED, but yeah. Here it is. This is our AED.
Tear open package.
We never use it. Hopefully we never have to use it. Do you guys keep one in your office? Let me know in the comments down below.
From plastic liner.
No, we need to get the whole thing. That's dangerous. Just kidding. So this lab had got us, it's called Dandy. They had sent us a new scanner to use for their lab only, and this is what I'm unboxing. I'm unboxing the desk part to it. I don't know if I like this lab. It's been a few months with them and I'm not that impressed. I feel like we got not scammed, because we can obviously return everything, but I just don't like the quality of their work. Like, I'm on the verge of just returning it all, but still trying to give them a chance. Have you guys heard of this lab, or do you guys use this lab in your office? Let me know in the comments down below. So this is me just trying out the scanner for the first time. We had a training and everything went smoothly with that, but it's just the quality of the products.
Going to double check it. Specific instructions here, so he'll just add in any additional preferences. Here, we're going to review our next, which is going to be a retainer. We're requesting a retainer on the upper and lower in clear Essex material 1, and then we can add in specific instructions here for preferences here.
So next I just wanted to show you guys this spore testing. This is very important in the dental office that you do this weekly. I do mine every Thursday. It's just a spore test to make sure that your stratum and autoclave are cleaning correctly. Our hygienist used to do this, but as you guys know, we were in between hygienists, so I took over the job. So now it's my duty to do it every Thursday. So it has a little strip inside of the envelope, and you just place that inside of the autoclave. And whenever you run your instruments, you run that in there as well. Send it off, and then they will let you know if you passed or failed. We have only had a scare one time because someone thought they ran the strip and they didn't. So it was just a brand new strip that we had sent off. So obviously it came back failed, but yeah. Obviously we redid it again and it passed. Now I'm just cleaning my suction lines with solution and water. So I like to do this twice a week, and then if I do any extractions or anything like that, I would do them right after the extractions. So this was basically like a little maintenance video, like a little task slash maintenance video. I hope you guys like this video. This is not the end of it, but this is the end of me talking. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to let me know in the comments down below any questions you guys have for me or any video requests. And I will see you guys very, very soon. I got a new toothbrush today at work, so I wanted to unbox it with you guys. This is the bag that it comes in when we give it to patients. It comes with a mouthwash and toothpaste, and it also comes with floss. Let's unbox my toothbrush. Have you guys used this toothbrush? This is the old one that I have. So I'm upgrading to this one. I'm so excited about it. If you guys aren't using Oral-B, then what are you doing? Do you prefer Oral-B or Sonicare? Let me know in the comments down below. I'm definitely an Oral-B girl. I don't like the vibration of Sonicare. So yeah. And if you're using a manual still, please go get you either this or the Sonicare. Either one will be life-changing for you. Just waiting on Oral-B to sponsor me, so that's like one of the sponsors that I'm really looking forward to having one day. So yeah.